Welcome back. Rainwater harvesting systems could be incorporated in all temples in Tamil Nadu so that they could be recharged in the ongoing monsoon. This is according to a top official of the Hindu religious and charitable endowments. Encroachments on channel which traditionally supply water to the tanks would also be removed. While the anti-nuke protesters never seem to listen to the assurances given by both the centre and the scientists who visited the Kodamkulam plant. Now, for the first time, women protesters in Kodamkulam demanding closure of the nuclear plant are willing to listen to the government-appointed expert group about the safety of the plant and their livelihood issues. This is after their representatives called the second round of talks with the group a failure. But they want the experts to interact with them right in their villages. Will this lead to a breakthrough? Sam Daniel reports.
A softening of stand by women spearheading the protest against the upcoming Kodamkulam nuclear plant. They are now willing to listen to the expert group which, after inspection, claims the plant is safe and would not threaten their livelihood. But local people want the expert group to talk to them directly at villages around the plant.
So we want them to come to the people and meet the people and tell them it is not dangerous for you, it is more safe for you. If the people accept that, it is okay. We have no objection.
Talk to the people, answer their questions. Only that kind of democratic exercise may alleviate the fears of the people.
The expert group constituted by the centre to address public fear is not averse to the idea.
If government says, I should go to a school or a college or a village or a fishing place, we are ready, we will do.
The 13,000 crore rupee project, which could solve Tamil Nadu's power shortage, remains paralysed for over a month. Already, a majority of its 6,000 strong contract workforce has left the village out of fear, and around 1,000 of its engineers and scientists remain confined to their homes. Top scientists from Kodamkulam confess they have committed a huge PR blunder over the last 20 years by not reaching out to local communities. Now the call by local people could be a window of opportunity for them to win public confidence and to get the plant function. In Chennai, Sam Daniel, Find the TV.
Moving on, the Delhi High Court has issued a notification saying the 2G trial will be transferred to the Tihar Jail Court complex. This is a notification issued by the Registrar General of the Delhi High Court on behalf of the Acting Chief Justice. No reason is cited in this notification. All the accused and their lawyers were taken by surprise by this notification. They plan to raise the matter with the Acting Chief Justice tomorrow morning. They do not want the trial to be shifted to Tihar. They say they were not taken into confidence or even consulted. The winter session of Parliament got off a stormy start today. On expected lines, the opposition stalled proceedings by protesting over a variety of issues, from price rise, cotton prices to Telangana. Both houses were adjourned for the day. Before the session began, the Prime Minister made a strong appeal for calm and asked all parties to cooperate. He said the government is prepared to discuss all issues. 54 bills are slated for the session, but the opposition is all set to target the government over black money and rising prices. The NDA has decided to boycott Home Minister Chidambaram for his alleged role in the 2G scam.
I sincerely hope that the political parties will resist any such temptation. There is virtually no case for a boycott of the type that has been talked about in the newspapers.
CBI is neither investigating Chidambaram nor giving us reply, because they know very well as soon as we receive the reply, we may approach the court. How can you be so partial about one scam? It is not a personal vendetta or something. It is a democratic fight against corruption.
हमारी बात तो स्पष्ट है कि हम कोई व्यक्तिगत तरीके से किसी को टारगेट नहीं करते। सवाल यहाँ पे है भ्रष्टाचार का। भ्रष्टाचार के सवाल पर चिदम्बरम साहब हो या कोई और मंत्री हो, जो भी उसके अंदर इन्वॉल्व है, उसके ऊपर पूरी जांच के आधार पर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। इस तरीके की व्यक्तिगत बॉयकॉट का हमारा मतलब इसके साथ हमारी कोई सहमति नहीं।
This culture is truly special. The kids and what they show. More on that when we return after the break.